Welcome to Model Marriage with Florence, where we talk about relationship, marriage, family life, and everything in between. Today's video is a must watch for every woman, especially if you are thinking about divorce or you are already going through it. Let me show you what the law says, how to protect yourself before it becomes too late. Tola was married for 12 good years. She had 3 children for her husband, but when the marriage collapsed, he threw her out, collected everything, and even the houses they built together. Why? Because her name was not on the document and she didn't know her legal rights. That will not be your portion. As a Nigerian woman, there are certain legal rights you should know. And one of those rights is property right in Nigerian marriage. Under the Nigerian law, property acquired during marriage may be considered joint, especially in statutory marriage. But if your name is not on the document, proving ownership can be very hard. So what are you supposed to do as a woman? When both of you want to acquire property, ensure that your name is on the document so that maybe in case anything happen tomorrow, you can be able to prove ownership with that receipt that you have and your name written on it. Number two right you should know as a woman is child custody and support. If you have children in that marriage, don't just walk away. File for child support and child custody. The law allows you to have custody of the children, especially if the children are under 18 years old. Gone are those days when if anything happen in the marriage, the woman will just carry her children, go to another place, go and be suffering and taking care of those children. And when they are all grown, the man will still come back to come and claim that those children belongs to him. Please, women, stop suffering in silence. Speak up. There are different courts that handle such cases. I think I know one in Lagos. If you need any help, contact me. Go to my description. You will see my WhatsApp number or my email. Send me a message and I will see how I can connect you to that court so that you can get help. Those children need help. The court will mandate the man to support you in paying the school fees, paying medical bills, providing money that you will use to feed those children and even shelter. Concerning the issue of accommodation, the man may not pay 100%, but at least he should be able to cover up 70% of the house rent where those children will stay. Women, speak up and stop suffering in silence. Another right you should know as a woman is there is a difference between customary marriage and court marriage. The customary marriage is the normal traditional marriage, while the court marriage is what we know as statutory marriage. Now, your rights may be limited if you just do traditional marriage. Ensure that you register your marriage in court. That is when the law can be effective if anything happened in that marriage. In today's world, we see how women who have been married for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, some even 20 years, suffer because they don't know their legal rights. As a woman, ensure that you know your legal rights. But one thing is certain, if it's only traditional marriage you do, your rights will be limited. That is why you should always ensure that you register your marriage in court. With that, your marriage is fully backed by the law. Don't be carried away with the wedding plans and forget to go register your marriage in court. The man might forget, but you should be the one to remind him so that both of you can go to the registry and register your marriage in court. But in case you are already married, it is never too late. You can still go ahead and do it because It is for your own good as the woman. During my own time, we went to the registry. They directed us to the place where they do that, and we registered our marriage in court, and they gave us 21 days to come back to get the certificate, or you can call it clearance. And that was all. We just paid a token, and I'm sure it's not too expensive. It is something you can afford. That money you are using to go buy those baby clothes you want to wear, there is nothing bad, but try as much as possible to go to the registry and register your marriage. It will be of great help to you as a woman. In today's world, we see how women who have been married for 5, 10, 15, even 20 years have been thrown out of their marriage because they don't know their legal rights. Maybe because they go through traditional marriage, their marriage were not registered in court, so their rights will be limited. That is why, as a woman, ensure that you register your marriage in court so that your rights can be fully backed by the law. Some women even suffer in silence. They refuse to talk to nobody. Please, women, don't suffer in silence. Get a lawyer. Let that lawyer speak for you so that you can be able to recover everything you might have lost. Now, are you going through divorce, or you know somebody who is going through it right now? Share this video with them and let them know their rights. Ignorance is not an excuse in the court of law. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and also drop your opinion in the comment section. And I will see you again in my next video. Bye for now.